Alright, what a glorious day, and today we got this 1989 Ford Bronco. It's got a sticky throttle, and we're going to try to fix it. This is a pretty neat truck. It's got electronic fuel injection. And yes, I have heard all the jokes. First thing I always like to check is the pedal. Just make sure that it is not sticking at all. This little plastic piece at the top is broken, but that's not stopping it from working at the moment. And since we're here, let's just spray this with all kinds of lubrication. Don't hurt. Get it all over the carpet, just like that. Don't wipe it up. It'll be fine. Under this beautiful and very well designed plastic piece is the throttle body itself. It's got these little screws, and you got to use one of these little tiny sockets to get it off of there. Of course, you always have your little magnetic tray next to you. Your stuff in so you lose it. And looking at this thing right away, I can see that the little plastic piece is broken. That might be the cause of it. That thing needs to be replaced. But let's see what else is going on here. This cable right here. So it's definitely getting stuck. Right there, it's stuck. See, it's stuck. You want to see it again? Straight there. I'd also like to say right here at this point that if anybody's watching you while you do this, make sure you point in all kinds of directions. Make sure you fiddle with all kinds of things. Make sure you go and well and stuff like that, just so you sound like you know what you're doing. So let's pull these cables off and make sure, see if there's anything else going on. The little ball joint looks fine. Stuck right there, look at that, just stays wide open. Let me tell you, that's a lot of fun when you're driving down the street. So let's disconnect this link, check the balls. They look fine, little joints look fine. See, that one's not sticking right there. Let's try this one. Oh, look at that. I think we found the culprit. Alright, so we gotta take these things off. Just one little screw. Well, it's two little screws. One for the top one for the bottom one. Loosen those up. Pull them out of the way. And then wrestle with them a little bit. There you go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Is it? Alright. Now, yeah. Now let's get to work. Alright, so in there, we're going to spray those out. See if that will help get unstuck. Although I don't think that's the problem. But I mean, while we're here, might as well clean them out. And here is another example of that. Oh, hey, let's fiddle with this a little bit, make it look like we're really inspecting it, getting a good idea of what's going on. Actually, I'm looking at the spring and seeing what's going on with it. Anyway, just get in there and spray the crap out of everything. Just get everything. Make sure you get it on all the little plastic pieces that it might melt. Just spray. And then move stuff around and spray some more. And then move other things around and spray some more. These cans are only like $5, and if $5 fixes it, then you charge the customer $200. And we got to get the inside here really good. Generally, I like to do this with the engine running. So to get working on that spring, got to pop a little C-clip off the top. I didn't stab myself. I'm impressed. Wiggle these. Look at that. See that? That spring is supposed to be attached to that post behind it. And it is not. So I'm going to wiggle this thing loose. Eventually. What an action shot. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. And it is gone. And make sure you look at all the parts that come off so as not to lose anything. We're just going to clean inside here, clean this little post, lube it up. Oh yeah, spray. Don't forget to spray. You got to spray everything. Alright, so put it back on there. Take it back off. This really makes somebody think you're really inspecting it, knowing what you're doing. Alright, let's put it on one more time, shall we? Yeah, this is when I mutter, huh. Alright, so basically lather this thing up with some grease. And then make sure that that little spring goes onto that post. Get everything back on. Give it a quick test. Look at that springy action. Take a quick look around, make sure nobody is watching you. Then take it back off. Put the pieces that you forgot to put on in the first place on, and then put it right back on real quick. Make sure nobody sees. Snap that cable back on. Look, that works. Reattach everything. Put that little beautifully designed plastic cover back on. Thank you for watching today. Maybe this will help you. Probably not. But if you like these little videos, give a like, give a subscribe, and I'll do more.